Psalms 139, verse 14. I will praise you, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Marvelous are your works, and that my soul knows very well. You are indeed beautiful. You are unique. You are wonderfully made by the hands of God. Let no man say otherwise, because God created you in his own image. Hello guys, and welcome once again to another video. I am sorry, I was supposed to post videos every 2 weeks. I don't have any excuses even though I was busy, but I'm back and I'll try my best to post videos every 2 weeks. Furniture, paint, and decor add character and personality to any room, as well as wall art. How great would it be to create your art wall at home? Today's video will show you 4 easy ways to paint and create your art wall. This video is divided into 2 parts, so stay tuned for the second video. So what I did here, I drew lines, like triangles of any sizes. It's simple and easy to do. I'm sure you guys will be able to recreate the same thing. After that, I applied painter's tape to where I drew the lines. To be on the safe side, I applied the tape twice on the lines. So I wrote the colors I wanted to apply to each shape. So for this project, the colors that I used was blue, metallic white, a little bit of gray, metallic gray, and black. So I made a small mistake here. Unfortunately, I forgot to erase the section where I wrote white. So please don't make the same mistake. Don't forget to erase if you're trying to apply the color white to one shape. So here I applied a second coat. And once you're done applying the second coat, don't forget to let it dry for 1 or 2 days before removing the tape. Also, once the tape is removed, don't forget to erase the lines on the canvas, and slowly remove the tape on the canvas. Here you guys can see this is a fast version of me removing the tape, but I was really careful on removing the tapes. Here's the second art wall. I used the tape to divide the canvas into 2 parts to create a gradient effect on each side using the dark blue, the white, and metallic colors. I repeated the same step on the other half of the canvas. When I reached the middle part, I removed the tape and added white paint to create stroke lines. It looks perfect like this. If you don't want to do anything to it, you can leave it as it is. But because I love glitters and shiny things, I just had to add glitters on this canvas. Your girl decided to go with this craft bond glue, which was a total fail. It was too tacky. I should have used the Gorilla Glue or any other glue that will best work with crushed glass glitter and any kinds of glitter, but I had to work with what I had. here's the final result. If you like this video, please don't forget to like our comments. If you still haven't joined the family, what are you still waiting for? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next part. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.